Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the new Vauxhall Corsa Electric Yes Edition, which just hit the market at the end of 2023. This model is part of Vauxhall's Fresh Yes of Corsa ad campaign and is making waves for all the right reasons. So what's the scoop on the Corsa Electric Yes Edition? First off, it's the most affordable version of Vauxhall's all-electric Corsa, priced at £26,895. It's 5,500 cheaper than the previous entry-level design trim. Even though it's the budget-friendly option, it still packs the same 50 kWh battery and 134 bph electric motor as the old base model. If you're looking for more power, the mid-range GS and top-end Ultimate trims offer a 154 bph motor and slightly larger 51 kWh battery. In terms of range, the Corsa Electric Yes Edition can cover up to 221 miles on a full charge. Need a quick top up? It can go from 0 to 80% charge in just 30 minutes with a 100 kW charger. Plus, Vauxhall is sweetening the deal with a year of free EV charging at Tesco station for all their electric models. Even though it's the cheapest version, the Yes Edition doesn't skimp on style. It borrows some sporty design element from GS model, including black wing mirrors, sleek alloy wheel and distinctive badges. It also comes in a special record red paint with a stylish constraining back black roof. When it comes to the features, the Yes Edition, as you covered, it includes automatic LED headlight and wiper, climate control, keyless entry and rear parking sensor. You'll also find advanced driver assistant tech like lane departure warning with lane keep assist traffic sign, recognition, cruise control and emergency braking with pedestrian detection. With this new price tag, Corsa Electric Yes Edition is now more affordable than the MG4 and is getting close in price to the upcoming BYD Dolphin, which is set to start at £25,490 when it drops this summer. So what do you think of the new Vauxhall Corsa Yes Edition? Is it catching your eyes as a budget-friendly EV option? Drop your thoughts in the comment below and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more updates and review. See you next time.